Okay then, number 16 then is PC Repair Centre, and the background information for this one is part of an independent local computer sales shop. The client is now looking to advertise their expertise in PC repairs. Aimed at PC users who don't wish to use the services such as PC World and after sales warranties, the company is now looking to promote its experience in the following areas, so such things as fault finding, repairs, installation of both hardware and software, internet setup, virus checking, backup of existing data. Yeah? So the client has expressed how the website needs to portray both expertise and cost effectiveness of the services they provide. Come in,
okay, well basically the site kicks off and it takes you to the home page. Basically it's got a bit of blurb information trying to attract people to the company, sort of with various descriptions of problems you might have with the computer which the company are capable of repairing. You also know it's also got, if you can't fix it, service history. A lot of PC repair services do this to basically attract people in saying, look, we can't fix it, you don't get charged. So basically pulling on that. The site itself has got a navigation bar at the top and also secondary navigation at the bottom. I've done the navigation at the top I did in Image Ready and Photoshop using rollovers. The banner again was also done in Photoshop and sized out. I'll move on to the About Us. Again, this is putting a nice graphic to make it feel nice and friendly to the user, so they don't feel too complicated. I felt that the website couldn't be too complicated because odds on the type of users that are going to be using it are probably going to be pretty novice PC users, so if the site's simpler, it's you know, if it's a complicated site it might put customers off. Move on to the actual main core, which is the products. Again, we've got links to services that they provide. I've done it in rollover buttons, except this time I did the rollovers inside Dreamweaver, and simply designed it all that's inside a secondary table, and then linked up this rollover button, so you can pick one out, lights it up, you get a full size shot of the picture, so it keeps it nice and consistent. You'll notice all the text is the same all the way through. That's done with CSS styles. Again, if we just go back, pick another product out to go for data back up. And again, when they're flipping, go into the sub-page, it's got details on the pricing, how much to charge, etc, etc. And that should, that's the bottom out link to the final one, which is contact us, which is basically just details, where they are, email address, telephone number, and how to get hold of them, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. So again, you talked about your settings on that particular website. What made you choose those particular colours, backgrounds and everything else?
The background, trying to sort of keep computer related. As you can see, we've got it's like chips on the very background. That's a shot of quite famous motherboard company, which is Gigabyte. I've then used a sort of grayscale one just as a background image. As you can see on there, it shows up on the contacts page. On a lot of them, that's fairly well covered up, but because it's nice light grey, it doesn't overglare everything else on top of it. I just tried to use sort of like nice bold images, but not too aggressive, just subtle.
Okay. Yeah. So it's certainly got visual impact in terms of what you've got on there. Yeah. Yeah. I said to you, I think the only thing I'd kind of look at tweaking is maybe smaller images, just to kind of cut down on your scrolling on the page more than anything, or whatever. Just stop it from scrolling, keep everything on.
Well, when I've done it on these systems, it all fed into one page. As soon as it's gone to this screen, it's a different size.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's come out well. Okay. Well done, mate.